Hey guys, it's Lori. I'm here with Hope. Today we're going to show you a new braid that I made up. It is called the 4-strand upward waterfall braid. Let's get started. Starting by taking a section of hair here at the front, and I'm going to split it into 4. Okay. So 4. I'm going to start at the top. I'm going to take this strand under, over, under, like you would a 4-strand braid. You switch your middle 2 pieces. And now at this point, I'm going to drop this bottom piece. And I'm going to pick up another piece underneath from where I dropped it to replace it. So now I've got my 4 strands again. And I'm going to continue my 4-strand braid like that. Under, over, under, switch my middle 2, and drop that piece, pick up another. Okay, under, over, under, switch, drop, and pick up a piece. You just want to make sure as you're going along that the pieces you're picking up kind of follow the same line. So under, over, under, switch, drop your strand, and pick up another. And we're going to continue that. If it starts to kind of loop down like that, all you got to do is take your strand that's hanging and pull it again. And then as I come along here at the front, we're going to kind of swoop up and grab a bigger section here so that we've got that front part pulled in. Okay. Under, over, under, switch, drop, and I'm going to pull the rest of this hair from the front into it at this point. Make sure I don't grab that waterfall piece. And take it under, over, under, switch. I'm going to kind of pull it so that we're close to the head there. I'm going to do a little bit more of a 4-strand braid here, just so that I've got something to grab onto. I'm going to stop there, and I'm going to secure it with an elastic. Cover that with a little clip. I'm going to cover that with a little clip that way. And then I can come back along and kind of pull the hairs down here to cover that part line and pull this up a little bit more. I want those top loops exaggerated a little bit more. And there you have it. Thanks so much for watching today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that if you try it at home, it turns out great. If you want to share a photo on my Facebook wall or tag me in a photo on Instagram at Hair by Lori, I'd love to see it. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more weekly tutorials. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.
Goodbye, people.
Bye.